What's the meaning of chronicler? Chronicler. Chronicler.
Chronicler. Chronicler. A chronicler is a person who records historical events and information in writing. They may also be referred to as historians or record keepers. Chroniclers are responsible for preserving the past and ensuring that future generations have access to information about the societies and cultures that came before them. By writing down details of significant events, such as wars, political movements, and cultural shifts, chroniclers help us understand how our world has evolved over time and why certain traditions and beliefs exist today.